Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Eco Ada Way to Economic. So before moving on, अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है so do subscribe. This channel is all about the subject economics. यहाँ पर आपको NCERT कंटेंट मिल जाएगा from class 9 to 12th. If you are an economic student, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. Now let's move into the video. Today we continue NCERT class 11th part B, Introductory Microeconomics chapter 2, Theory of Consumers Behavior. Now let's begin with the introduction. Elasticity of demand. So as we know what is demand, there should be a elasticity of demand. So an elasticity demand is one in which the change in quantity demanded due to change in prices is large. So elasticity demand क्या है? जब एक प्राइस की वजह से क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड चेंज होती है at the large rate, that is known as the elasticity of demand. Also an elasticity demand is one which the change in quantity demanded due to change in the price is small. Okay, so changes जो है वो small rate पर भी हो सकता है. Next is price elasticity of demand. It is a calculation that measures the ratio. ठीक है, तो ये रेशो बताता है किसकी, of the percentage change in the amount demanded of a good or service to a percentage change in its price. Okay, so basically price elasticity of demand क्या है? It is a ratio of the quantity demanded and the price of a commodity. Okay, so it tells the ratio. Okay, so next is the formula of the price elasticity of a demand. So elasticity of a demand is equals to percentage change in the demand for a good divided by percentage change in the price of the good. So the change is represented by the delta, which is a triangular in shape. So delta Q is divided by Q into P divided by delta P. Delta P is the changes in the price and delta Q is the changes in the quantity demanded. So learn this formula. Now let us understand through the example. Suppose an individual buy 15 bananas when the price is ₹5 per banana. सो एक इंडिविजुअल है जो 15 बनानास को ख़रीदना चाहता है और एक बनाना का प्राइस कितना है ₹5. सो व्हेन द प्राइस इंक्रीजेज टू ₹7, अगर बनाना का प्राइस जो है वो 7 हो जाता है, शी रिड्यूसेस हिज डिमांड टू 12 बनानास. तो वो उसकी क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड कितनी हो गई है अब 12 बनानास की. सो ये आपको टेबलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया हुआ है कि ओल्डर प्राइस कितना है ₹5, क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड कितनी है 15, न्यू प्राइस कितना है 7, अब न्यू क्वांटिटी कितनी हो गई है 12. इतना क्लियर है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड हर इलास्टिसिटी डिमांड फॉर बनानास, वी फाइंड द परसेंटेज चेंज इन द क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड एट इट्स प्राइस. यूजिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन वी समराइज दिस टेबल. नाउ लेट्स सी इट्स सॉल्यूशन. नोट दैट द प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज अ नेगेटिव नंबर since the demand for a good is negatively related to the price. Negatively related means inversely related. अगर commodity के price increase हो जाएंगे तो demand कम हो जाएगी and the vice versa. However, for simplicity, we will always refers to absolute value of the elasticity. So the percentage change in the quantity demanded is delta Q by Q1 into 100. So हम यहाँ पर delta Q कैसे calculate करेंगे? By subtracting old quantity from the new quantity, which is 12 minus 15, and divided by the old quantity, which is 15 into 100 is equals to minus 20. And same with the price. Delta P कितना हो जाएगा? P2 minus P1 divided by P1 into 100, which is 7 minus 5 divided by 5 into 100, which is 40. So यहाँ से हमें क्या मिल गया? Percentage change in the quantity demanded and the market price. Now we are going to put these in the formula. So the result is, in this example, as the price of a banana increased by 40% and the demand is decreased by 20%, so the price elasticity of demand is equals to 20 by 40, which is 0.5. Okay, so price elasticity of demand कितनी आई? 0.5. आई होप नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड कि हम इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो डू कमेंट इन अ कमेंट बॉक्स टू लेट मी नो कि आपको समझ आया है या नहीं. और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आ रही है सो डू लाइक and share it with your friends. Next topic is elastic demand. When the percentage change in the quantity demanded is greater than the percentage change in the market price, then the demand is said to be highly responsive to the change in the market price. Okay, so elastic demand कब होती है? जब quantity demanded जो है market price से ज़्यादा हो and the estimated elasticity of demand is more than 1. यहाँ पर elasticity of demand क्या होती है? 1 से ज़्यादा होती है. Then the demand for a good is said to be elastic at that price. Okay, so next is inelastic demand. अब demand inelastic कब होती है? When the percentage change in the quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in the market price. जब quantity demanded जो है market price से कम होता है, then it is said to be a inelastic demand. So elasticity of demand is estimated to be less than 1 and the demand for the good is said to be inelastic at that price. Understood? Next is unitary elastic demand. So when the proportionate change in the demand produce the same change in the price of a product. So unitary elastic demand में क्या होता है? जब quantity demanded में जितना change है उतना ही change किस में हो? Price में हो. Then the demand is refers to as a unitary elastic demand. Also the numerical value for unitary elastic demand is equals to 1. यहाँ पर price elasticity of demand किसके equal होती है? 1 के. Only then it is said to be a unitary elastic demand. Okay, so इस वीडियो में इतना ही. Thank you so much for watching this video. Also comment down if you have any query regarding this video. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. और कमेंट करके प्लीज़ बताना कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी. See you soon with the next video. Thank you.